Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are fine and safe at your homes. Welcome back to my channel. Today we will solve self-check exercise on page number 260 of your book. 260. We will solve this self-check. We have to draw a Born-Haber cycle for the formation of MgO. Calculate the latest energy for MgO. From the following data we are given with all the enthalpies. Just we have to draw Born-Haber cycle. So let's start our video. Born-Haber cycle for MgO. सबसे पहले तो हमें reaction लिखना है. Mg in the form of solid plus half O2. Same like we have learned the Born-Haber cycle for NaCl. At that case we are given with the NaCl. This is ionic compound. So Mg plus half O2 gives MgO. It is in the form of solid and this is in the form of gas, and this forms and gives Mg plus 2 plus O minus 2, which gives this, and this is gas and this is also gas. And here is enthalpy of latest energy, and here enthalpy of del Hx, and here enthalpy of formation. We have to calculate del Hx according to the His law. Del F is equal to del Hx plus del HL. We have to find this and this. So first of all, for the del Hx, step A we are solving, which involve 4 enthalpies. In this case there are 5 enthalpies. First, Mg is converted, Mg in the form of solid is converted into gas. Here enthalpy of atomization is included, is involved, which value is 150 joule per mole, and it is with positive sign, means endothermic. Then this is first step. Then second step, Mg in the form of gas convert into gaseous sign by losing 2 electron. This is gas, and here enthalpy of ionization is included, which value is given in the question, which is 2180 kilojoule per mole with positive sign. With positive sign. Next we are having, now moving towards oxygen. Oxygen is half O2, which converts into molecular oxygen, converts into single oxygen O gas, and here enthalpy of atomization is included, which value is 247 kilojoule per mole. With positive sign. Then fourth, oxygen in the form of gas converts into ions, -1 by gaining electron +1. It is also gas. Here enthalpy of electron affinity from O to -1, single one, which is -141 kilojoule per mole. per mole. Then from O, this is in the form of gas, plus 2 electron. Now we want 2 electron because magnesium lost 2 electron. O2 minus 2 in the form of gas. Enthalpy of ionization electron affinity for the second case is 8 plus with positive sign plus 787 kilojoule per mole. So these are the 4 steps. Now we can find del Hx by adding all them. Enthalpy of atomization plus enthalpy of ionization plus enthalpy of atomization of oxygen plus enthalpy of electron affinity for the first electron affinity and enthalpy of electron affinity for the second one. Now adding all, we will get putting the values 150 plus 2180 plus 247 plus here is minus exothermic reaction, this is plus 878. So the value of del H would be, so we get the value 3314 kilojoule per mole. Now we can find the value of del HL. Now del HL is equal to del Hx plus minus del HF. So enthalpy of formation is minus 602 minus the del H value is 3314 with the positive sign. So we get minus 3916. So del HL enthalpy for the latest energy is minus 3916 kilojoule per mole. Now the main thing is draw the Born-Haber cycle. So first of all, we have magnesium in the form of solid plus half O2 gives us, from here it decrease, enthalpy change decrease and gives MgO in the form of solid. Here enthalpy of formation is included, which value is minus 602 kilojoule per mole. So this is the first step. This is in the form of gas. Okay. Then now just focusing magnesium. Magnesium in the form of gas converts into magnesium in the form of gas. Remaining remains same, half O2 in the form of gas. And here enthalpy of atomization is included, which value is 150 kilojoule per mole. Then next, magnesium converts into plus 2 ions and the remaining remains same, plus half O2 in the form of gas and here it is in the form of gas. And here enthalpy of ionization is included, which value is 2180 kilojoule per mole. Drawing a line here. Then we are having get magnesium. Now focusing on oxygen. So oxygen would convert into single oxygen in the form like this, and the magnesium remains same, Mg plus 2 electron plus, and here it is in the form of gas, and here is enthalpy of atomization included, which value is 247 kilojoule per mole. Now we have, I am writing here, magnesium is converted into +1. It is in the form of gas, plus oxygen is converted into -1, which is in the form of gas. Magnesium +1 plus 1 electron converted by this, and oxygen remains same, -1, and it is in the form of gas. And here is electron affinity, which value is 878 kilojoule per mole. It comes here. So this is how you will draw the Born-Haber cycle for MgO. I hope you all understand it well. Thanks for watching.